Ever hit send on an email and instantly spotted a typo? We've all been there, but Beehiiv makes fixing those mistakes and perfecting your message incredibly simple. Today, we're diving into how to edit your emails within Beehiiv, ensuring every message you send is polished and impactful. It's about fine-tuning your content for clarity and maximum engagement. First things first, navigate to your content or posts section in your Beehiiv dashboard. Here, you'll see all your scheduled, drafted, and even sent newsletters. Find the email you want to edit. It might be a draft you're still working on, or a recent one you've decided needs a tweak before sending. Once you click on the email, it will open up in Beehiiv's intuitive editor. You'll see your subject line, preview text, and the main body of your email laid out before you. Need to clarify your subject line? Simply click into the subject line field and start typing. You can rephrase it, fix any errors, or even add a bit more punch to grab your subscribers' attention. The preview text, that little snippet that appears after the subject line in some email clients, is just as important. Click into that area to refine your preview text. This is your chance to give a compelling hook before they even open the email. Now for the heart of your email, a circumflex euros. The body content. Click anywhere within the body of your email where you want to make changes. You can add new text, delete existing sentences, or completely rewrite paragraphs. Beehiiv treats this just like a rich text editor, so you can format your text with bold, italics, and links as needed. Spot a typo? No problem. Simply highlight the incorrect word and type the correction. You can also rephrase sentences for better flow. Ensure your calls to action are clear, and double-check that all your information is accurate and up-to-date. If you have links in your email, you can easily edit them too. Click on the link, and you'll see options to change the URL it points to or the text that's displayed for the link, making sure your subscribers are directed to the right place. Once you're satisfied with all your edits, don't forget to save your changes. You'll usually find a Save Draft or Update button, typically located at the top or bottom of the editor. Click this to ensure all your hard work is preserved. And that's it. Editing your emails on Beehiiv is straightforward and essential for making sure your message lands perfectly. Remember, a little refinement can go a long way in engaging your audience and achieving your communication goals.